Welcome at the Xencelabs stand at IBC 2024. Richard here is telling us everything about the new 16-inch pen display.
Yeah, thanks. So Xencelabs, we had the 24-inch pen display, came out just over a year ago and has been hugely successful to people that wanted a new professional choice. And earlier this year, we've launched our new pen display 16. So it's a 16-inch 4K OLED display. It is super thin, very, very thin. Very lightweight, edge-to-edge glass, fantastic anti-glare technology, much like the 24-inch. We've ported a lot of this technology over. So we've got a lot of incredibly bright lights here at the show, and you can see the actual working angle, the color angles, for example. I'm getting very little drift. It's a beautiful display to kind of work with. We have the same kind of 8,192 pressure sensitivity settings, and we have a single cable connection, which makes this a really portable device as well. So although I could very easily use this in a studio or in a home office, we do two flavors of this that both come with a carry bag. So it's easy to transport. And the single cable connection just means that it's one USB-C connection going into like my laptop or computer, etc. So really easy to take around with me, use on a train, use in a cafe, use in a hotel, use in a kind of office that I kind of go in and out of from time to time. Really nice and simple. Like all of our products, we deliver it in the same way that you get a pen case with two pens. So we get a 3-button pen with like a thicker barrel, so that kind of more precise work. And we have our thin 2-button pen that comes with it as well. We give you the hard and the felt nibs with it as well, and replacement nibs, etc. So very, very versatile in how I'm going to work with the unit. And we do two flavors, as I say. So there's one which comes with what we call a bundle. So it's a full kit. It basically has, the unit, comes with the case, comes with the two pens, and it comes with our Quick Keys product as well, which users of our 24-inch display will be very familiar with, and it's optional with our pen tablets. And it's also a product you can buy as a standalone device. So basically, our Quick Keys is a programmable controller with 8 buttons and an OLED display that I can actually configure up to 5 banks of commands to have up to 40 shortcut keys per application. I have a dial that I can program to do up to 4 different things per application as well. And within our driver, I can then actually import and export settings on a per application basis for my Quick Keys. I can also configure all of my pens to work on a per pen, per application basis as well. So it is highly configurable and customizable for users with any application that you're working with. Doesn't have to be creative applications. I can program my Quick Keys to work with my Microsoft Teams, my Zoom meetings, my Outlook, even just taking screenshots of my desktops and things like that. Really the world is your oyster with what you can do with this. But all I would say to all of you is encourage you to come and try out these units with Q Support, because we really have such a finesse of feel from edge to edge on the glass. Anyone that has used professional tablet or pen display products will find that this is of the absolute top quality in terms of feel, responsiveness, and also consistency across the screen, which is a really important thing, because whether I'm working at the edge, the center, or anywhere within it, it should feel exactly the same, and I can tune that to how I want. Importantly, we don't have any touch built in. We are a battery-free electromagnetic resonance technology, so I have a detection point as I get close to the screen, so I'm not making any accidental disconnects here, and I don't have to charge the pen. But with touch, we just find that people that have used products that are capable of touch end up turning it off, because when I'm working on it and I'm really engrossed in what I'm doing, if I'm having to disengage and engage, whether I'm the kind of pen technology or my capacitive touch. So it's just not an effective workflow. And that's really where our Quick Keys comes in, because typically with touch, I want to do things like zooms and rotates. And that's really where I can program the Quick Keys here to be my zoom or my rotate within an application. With Quick Keys, as I flick between applications, it will update. So now I'm in Lightroom, I can go up and down with my treatments, I can be modifying my whites or, lifting up, pulling back some highlights, etc. Very easily by changing and programming however I want this to work. So yeah, basically this is the new product. Please check it out. And if you have any questions, do contact the guys at Q Support. Thanks for watching.